Did you know the average pen can write 45,000 words before running out of ink? This simple tool has undergone a quiet revolution. While fountain pens once dominated and rollerballs offered a smoother experience, the Bic pen became a worldwide icon. Let's explore how Bic revolutionized pens. The pen has undergone significant evolutions over millennia. Reed pens were used by the ancient Egyptians around 3000 BCE. They were made from the hollow stems of marsh grasses and primarily used to write on papyrus. From the 6th to the 19th centuries, quill pens made from bird feathers were predominant. They required frequent dipping into inkwells, but were effective for the writing at the time. The first metal nibs appeared in the mid-18th century, but gained popularity only after John Mitchell mass-produced them in Birmingham in the 1820s. These steel nibs provided a more consistent writing experience than quills. Petrance Poneru, a Romanian inventor, patented the first fountain pen in 1827. However, it wasn't until Louis Waterman perfected the design in 1884, adding a reliable ink flow mechanism that fountain pens became practical for the public. The modern ballpoint pen was invented by Hungarian journalist Laszlo Biro in the 1930s. Biro's design used a small rotating ball to distribute fast-drying ink, reducing smudging and making writing more efficient. This invention was patented in 1938 and became widely adopted during World War II. The development of the Bic Crystal pen began in post-World War II France. In 1944, Marcel Bich, a French entrepreneur, along with his partner Edouard Bouffard, started a small factory in France. Initially, they manufactured pen holders and pencil cases. Bich saw potential in the ballpoint pen, a new invention at the time, but the early versions of these pens were unreliable and prone to leaking. In 1949, Bich acquired the patent rights from Laszlo Biro for $2 million. He invested in Swiss precision manufacturing technology to produce a high-quality ballpoint pen tip that would allow ink to flow smoothly. Marcel realized how English-speaking countries were pronouncing his name, so he dropped the H and the Bic name was born. The Bic Crystal pen was officially launched in 1950. Bic focused on creating a pen that was reliable, affordable, and mass-producible. Marcel understood the importance of economies of scale and quickly expanded to other continents, setting up factories all over the world. The Bic Crystal pen quickly gained popularity in France, selling approximately 10,000 units per day in its first year. By 1953, Société Bic was founded, and the company began expanding internationally. By the late 1950s, Bic had established itself in several European countries and had entered the North and South American markets, acquiring the Waterman Pen Company in the US in 1958 to facilitate its expansion. The Bic Crystal pen's design is renowned for its simplicity, functionality, and cost-effectiveness. The pen features a hexagonal barrel, similar to a traditional pencil. This design prevents the pen from rolling off surfaces and provides a comfortable grip. The barrel is made from polystyrene, a strong and lightweight plastic that is also transparent, allowing users to see the ink level and enhancing the pen's practicality and user-friendliness. The ballpoint tip includes a tiny stainless steel ball manufactured with high precision within a 0.01mm tolerance. This ball rotates as the pen moves across the paper, ensuring a smooth and consistent flow of ink. The design ensures that the ink is pulled onto the ball by capillary action and gravity, creating a reliable writing experience without ink clogging or leaking. Bic's Crystal Extra Smooth variant writes up to 35% smoother than traditional Bic ballpoint inks, providing a pleasant writing experience. A small vent hole in the barrel allows air to replace the ink as it's used, maintaining consistent pressure and preventing ink from being pushed out at higher altitudes. This hole is crucial for preventing leaks and ensuring a better writing experience. The Bic Crystal uses specially formulated oil-based ink that provides a smooth writing experience. The ink is designed to maximize capillary action while producing a clear, consistent line. Each pen contains enough ink to draw a line approximately 3 kilometers long. The Bic Crystal is available in various ink colors, including black, blue, green, and red. The pen's cap, made from polypropylene, serves multiple purposes. It protects the ballpoint tip, prevents the pen from drying out, and doubles as a clip for attaching the pen to pockets or notebooks. Polypropylene is used instead of polystyrene because it absorbs impact better, reducing the chance of the pen cracking or splitting if it is dropped onto the cap. Some versions of the pen feature a small hole in the cap, which is a safety measure to reduce the risk of choking if swallowed. The cap is often color-coded to match the ink. The pen is approximately 145 millimeters long with a diameter of 9 millimeters. It's lightweight yet sturdy. This efficiency contributes to its status as a reliable everyday tool. Bic Crystal pens are available in various pack sizes, from single pens to bulk packs. They are widely available in stores and online, making them easily accessible to consumers. Crystal's design has been widely copied around the world, especially in the Far East. A Kenyan company that makes the Crystal lost about $1.3 million because of cheap Chinese copies, forcing them to negotiate a cheaper deal with Bic. Marcel Bich's use of advanced watchmaking machines enabled the mass production of tiny stainless steel balls with high precision. This, combined with plastic molding technology, allowed for the affordable mass production of the Bic Crystal pen. When it was released, the Bic Crystal cost just $2. This vital instrument has continued to be affordable. Today, Bic sells around 57 pens per second and has sold over 100 billion pens globally, holding the Guinness World Record for the best-selling ballpoint pen. Bic made writing tools widely accessible by offering reliable pens at a very low cost. This democratization of writing tools meant that millions of people, regardless of their socioeconomic status, could afford to write, facilitating education and literacy across the globe. Bic's most significant contribution was popularizing the ballpoint pen. The ballpoint pen invented earlier was refined by Bic to be more reliable and user-friendly. Bic introduced disposable pens, which were a game changer. They were affordable and convenient, eliminating the need for refills and maintenance, which was a common issue with earlier pens. Bic perfected the mass production of pens, ensuring consistent quality. This allowed Bic to produce pens on a previously unattainable scale. Bic's commitment to quality control and continuous improvement ensures that each Bic Crystal works perfectly. The company's factories produce 23.7 million products daily, maintaining rigorous safety and quality standards. Bic's minimalist design and the use of clear plastic for the barrel set a standard for functionality and simplicity in product design. The pen's success demonstrated the importance of user-friendly design in consumer products, influencing the development of other everyday items. The Bic Crystal's reliability also revolutionized business and administrative tasks. Businesses could purchase these pens in bulk without worrying about high costs or quality issues, streamlining office operations and increasing productivity. The pen's durability reduced interruptions caused by pen malfunctions, making daily tasks more efficient. The Bic Crystal is recognized worldwide and is included in the permanent collection of the Museum of Modern Art in New York as a design classic. Bic has introduced eco-friendly products such as the Bic Revolution line, which includes pens made from recycled ocean plastic and other materials. The company has also committed to reducing its environmental footprint, significantly cutting water and energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Bic has diversified its product offerings over the years, including lighters and razors. Their lighters are designed to provide up to 3,000 lights, and their razors, such as the Bic Flex 5, offer up to 17 days of shaving. In 2021, Bic reported net sales of $1.9 billion and a net income of $314.3 million, demonstrating its solid financial foundation and long-term profitable growth strategy. So, Bic didn't just design a pen, they created a masterpiece. From classrooms to offices, Bic pens have become a symbol of accessibility and reliability. Do you have a favorite Bic product beyond the classic pen? Share your stories in the comments below and subscribe for more.